Did you know that a nutrient deficiency can inhibit your ability to learn effectively? It's true. Our brains are complex machines that require various nutrients to function at their best. So, imagine if there was a nutrient that could not only support your brain health but also enhance your ability to learn. What if I told you that there is one nutrient that could boost your learning capabilities? That nutrient is DHA. DHA, also known as docosahexaenoic acid, a vital omega-3 fatty acid and a major structural component of the brain that plays a significant role in how our brains work. It makes up a whopping 20% of your brain's gray matter, including the hippocampus, a small but mighty part of the brain responsible for learning and spatial memory. It's like the brain's navigation system. Now, imagine if that system was not working at its best. Navigating through life could become a little more challenging, right? That's where DHA, the fuel that powers your hippocampus, comes in. It helps keep the structure of your hippocampus robust, supporting your ability to learn and remember things. But that's not all DHA does for your brain. Have you ever heard of the retina? It's the part of your eye that captures the light and sends it to your brain as visual information. DHA plays a crucial role in supporting your retina, helping you see the world more clearly. DHA not only acts as a potent antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress in your brain, but it also helps in decreasing inflammation within the brain. Think of it as a protective shield, warding off harmful substances that could damage your brain cells. It's like a soothing balm, calming down any hotspots of inflammation that could interfere with your brain's functioning. DHA increases BDNF, a protein that helps your brain grow. It's like a personal trainer for your brain, helping it stay fit and healthy. As we age, our hippocampus, the very structure that aids in learning and spatial memory, naturally starts to shrink. But DHA can help counteract this, can boost the volume of your hippocampus, keeping your hippocampus plump and your brain sharp. It's like a multitasking superhero, supporting various aspects of your brain's health and function. Imagine the negative impact on your brain health if you were deficient in DHA. A deficiency in DHA, a crucial nutrient, can not only shrink your hippocampus but also seriously impair your brain's health and diminish your ability to learn and maintain spatial memory. It's like a library slowly losing books, making it harder to find the information you need. It's like navigating through a maze with half the map missing. And just as you'd struggle to find your way in that situation, your brain struggles to form and recall memories when DHA is low. DHA is crucial for the synapses in your brain, the bridges that allow communication between neurons. When DHA is low, these bridges can weaken and break down. It's like trying to converse with someone through a bad telephone connection. The message gets lost, and the communication is ineffective. This is what happens in your brain when DHA is low, and it can lead to conditions like attention deficit hyperactivity disorder and dyslexia. The effects of low DHA extend beyond cognitive abilities. Infants are particularly vulnerable to the effects of low DHA. If an infant is not breastfed, their retina composition may be abnormal due to low levels of DHA. It's like building a house with weak materials. The foundation is compromised from the start. Low DHA levels can cause significant impairment to your brain health and cognitive abilities. So, it's clear that maintaining adequate DHA levels is crucial for brain health, learning, memory, and vision. But DHA isn't just important for adults. As we move on, let's explore how DHA impacts child development and the best ways to ensure you and your loved ones get enough of this important nutrient. It plays a crucial role in the development of children's brains too. You see, from the moment a baby is born, their brain begins to grow and develop rapidly. This is where DHA steps in. As an essential building block of the brain, DHA is vital in this early stage of life. So, what happens when there's a deficiency of DHA in infants? Well, one of the potential consequences is abnormal retina development. The retina, the light-sensitive layer of tissue at the back of the eye, heavily relies on DHA. Low levels of this nutrient could result in vision problems. But the impact of DHA doesn't stop at the eyes. It extends to cognitive abilities as well. Some studies suggest that DHA could even influence a child's IQ. Now, that's not to say that DHA is the magic ingredient for creating a genius. However, it does play a significant role in fostering optimal brain development. Imagine DHA as the fuel that powers the complex machinery of the brain. Without enough fuel, the machinery might still work, but not as efficiently as it could. So, a child with low DHA levels might face challenges in learning and cognitive functions. And remember, the effects of DHA deficiency aren't just short-term. They can carry over into adulthood, potentially leading to issues like poor memory and learning difficulties. So, how can we prevent this? The answer is through adequate DHA intake. For infants, this typically comes from breast milk, which naturally contains DHA. But not all mothers can or choose to breastfeed, and that's okay. There are DHA supplements available that can be added to infant formula. Now that you understand the importance of DHA, you might be wondering how to ensure you're getting enough of it. Well, the good news is that DHA is readily available in various foods. One of the richest sources of DHA is fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, and sardines are all packed with this essential omega-3 fatty acid. Incorporating these into your meals a few times a week can significantly boost your DHA levels. But what if you're not a fan of fish? Not to worry. Cod liver oil is another excellent source of DHA. A spoonful a day can do wonders for your brain health. It might not be the most appetizing option, but the benefits are well worth it. If the taste is too much to bear, cod liver oil capsules are a convenient alternative. For our vegan and vegetarian friends, fear not. There are DHA sources for you too. Algae, the food fish eat to get their DHA, can be consumed directly. Algal oil, derived from algae, is a plant-based source of DHA that can be easily added to your diet. It comes in various forms, including supplements, smoothie powders, and even some fortified foods. Remember, it's not just about consuming these foods. It's about making them a regular part of your diet. Consistency is key when it comes to maintaining healthy DHA levels. While diet is the best way to get DHA, supplements can also be considered, especially for those who have dietary restrictions or simply can't stomach fish or cod liver oil. But before you run off to the supermarket, it's always a good idea to chat with your healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice on the best way to increase your DHA intake, considering your specific health circumstances and dietary preferences. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it. Hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.